Alright, so today's episode is keeping it from dying again like it did before. So gonna take the fuel pump out. So of course there's a full tank of gas in there, so gotta siphon it out first. And I got my gas cans from my granddad, and I bought this deluxe, by the way, siphon hose. So I'm gonna use that to see if I can get the gas out. Okay, so surprise, surprise, deluxe means deluxe garbage, because that didn't work at all, but I got the regular non-deluxe version, so hopefully this should work. Okay, so none of that worked, you know, but it's okay. So I've come up with a new plan. I've hooked up a hose to the output of the fuel filter and ran it to my gas can. And I can pump a little bit by just turning the key, but it's like 1 second. So in order to, there's a test function on it, and you do that by accessing the diagnostic ports right here. So I'm gonna try to jump these 2 ports and see if I can get it to run continuously. All right, so I've got my little jumper wire hooked up, and then I have my jerry can in the back with the hose. And so all that's left is to turn the key, see if it is working. So just turn like that. And hopefully, let's see. Yeah, look at that, it's working. All right, so got that one filled up without spilling a drop. Now it's time for the next can. Oh. All right, last can. All right, so got all 3 cans filled up. So that's 3 less cans that'll be dumped on me. So I got distracted by these body side moldings, and I want to go ahead and take them off. So I'm gonna hit them with hair dryer and try to heat up the adhesive and then scrape them off. It's already starting to come a little bit just by me pulling on it, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alrighty, so that piece came off actually rather easily. You can see how good the paint used to look. So now I just got to get this residue off. Alright, so luckily for this side, the door doesn't have the molding, so just a little front and the back ones, so it should be easy.
Ooh.
Alright, so we gave it a quick wash and we took off the side moldings, and actually looks pretty decent right now, surprisingly. But yeah, happy with that. Now that I've got all the gas out, I can drop the tank. And the first step is to unclip and then take the fuel filler neck off, which is these 4 bolts here. Okay, so I couldn't find an adapter, so we're gonna use baby ratchet. Alright, so those are all out. So next step is to disconnect that bolt and swing these straps down. Alright, so I've started to loosen one of the bolts, and before I loosen them both, just got the jack just applying pressure so we can lower it slowly. This filler hose just pulls out of this gasket, so I'm gonna hit it with some WD-40 and see if I can pull it out. Alright, so pulled this free. So now I should be able to get the tank out. Alrighty, well, there it is in all of its glory. So now I just gotta get the pump out. Okay, so I've disconnected the wiring from the pump, and now I'm gonna use this piece of wood and a hammer to loosen this locking ring. Okay, that didn't work, it just broke my wood. So, new approach. Now I'm gonna try this PVC pipe, see if this works better. Okay, it broke my PVC pipe too. The reason I've avoided using metal is because I don't want to damage this tab, but I'm gonna try this screwdriver and just take it slow and see if it's doing anything. Just a few hits of that, and it's already starting to damage it, so I'm gonna have to find something else softer that I can use to hit with. So I I used this wrench to just get a larger surface area and was able to get that ring off. All right, it's out. While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and get this fuel sender unit out just to kind of see what's going on because it's broken, so it can't hurt. Okay, so I think I found out why this wasn't working anymore. Okay, so here's kind of the game plan. So gonna get a new pump. I'm gonna keep this bracket and everything, and of course a new filter, just because the pump itself is cheap, but this bracket can get expensive, and it's not in too terrible shape, so I think it'll be good. As far as the sender unit, obviously it needs to be completely replaced, but it looks like it's only gonna be about 30 bucks, so I might go ahead and do that as well. And then before I do all that, of course, gonna give the tank a good clean so that I don't get all this garbage sucked up into my new parts. Okay, so pretty much vacuumed the top side, got all the debris. I just poured what little gas was left, and then I'll dispose of that properly. And then, so now I'm just gonna get the air compressor and dry out the tank completely. Okay, so I just gave it a quick exterior clean and then started to clean the inside, and you can see just how much crap is floating around just from a little bit of spraying. So yeah, that'll be good. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna keep on cleaning out the tank and then gonna get those parts ordered so they'll be ready for next video. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.